The scallion oil noodle is a quick and easy one. I've shared my recipe before, but this one is by season 12 top chef Meilin. She puts her own twist to scallion oil noodles, adding some seaweeds to it, and it turns out delicious. To make this recipe, you'll need some roughly chopped shallots, some whole cloves of garlic. Smash them with the back of your knife and the skin should peel off easily. We're also going to use white parts of green onions, which I usually save in my trusty stashers. All you need to do is roughly chop them up into 1-inch pieces and our prep work is done. Now add the shallots, green onions, and garlic to a small sauce pot and pour just enough oil to cover them. If you are using a bigger pot, do the same but cook it over the lowest heat. I'm using peanut oil today because I like how it tastes, but you can use any neutral oil as well. Then turn on the heat to medium and bring it to a boil. I forgot to add salt, so we're going to add it in now. So now we're going to let everything boil until it turns into a beautiful golden brown color. It will roughly be around 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes, when everything starts to look like this, remove the pot from the heat and allow it to cool down a bit. The oil will continue to bubble and cook the ingredients. After the oil has stopped bubbling, this is what everything looks like. Now I'm going to add it to a blender and I'm also going to add some Shio Kombu to it. Shio Kombu is basically kelp that has been boiled in soy sauce and other seasonings and then dried and cut into small pieces. You can find these in Japanese markets as well as Korean ones, and I will also link it in the description below. Next, we're going to toast a sheet of nori seaweed by swiping it over the fire a couple of times and then add it to the blender as well. Now blitz until you get a fine paste, and it doesn't have to be perfectly smooth either. For my noodles today, I am using this Yidu brand of noodles. I love this noodle because of how the scallion oil and soy sauce cling to it. I'm not sure if you can find this in other parts of America, but let me know if you do. You can also use other thin cut noodles that are labeled Shanghai noodles. Meilin uses ramen noodles in her Instagram story, so if you try other noodles, let me know. While the noodles are cooking, let's add a good dollop of our scallion oil paste into a large mixing bowl. Along with that, we're going to add some dark soy sauce and some regular soy sauce and give it a good mix. You can give it a taste here to see if you want more salt or soy sauce in the scallion oil. When the noodles are done cooking, add them to this bowl and toss to mix. If your noodles are sticky, add some water you used to boil the noodles to loosen them up. And that's it! Your scallion oil noodles are ready! Divide the noodles into bowls and garnish it with tons of scallions. I love getting a crunch of scallion in each bite. Don't forget to follow Meilin on Instagram. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Good luck in the kitchen and enjoy!